Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2010 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine.
A manual transmission keeps you tuned into your car.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.